Welcome. Today we are diving into Chapter 1 of our module, Social Media and Organization, led by Dr. Ella Jabar Al-Maliki, here at the School of Computing, University Utara, Malaysia. Most people interact with platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or X as consumers, scrolling through feeds and sending messages. But if you look under the hood, these platforms represent the largest, most active real-time datasets available to modern organizations. This diagram outlines our core concepts. We need to distinguish between the active communication, like digital communication and social networking, and the specific computational tools organizations use to capture, measure, and analyze that exchange, such as social media analytics and sentiment analysis. Let's look at social networking strictly as a computational model. It is a structured graph. The users and organizations are nodes, the relationships are the edges bridging them, and the specific data flowing across those edges represents actions like knowledge sharing or community building. Now, watch what happens when a node generates unstructured text, like an opinion about a product. We route that text into a processing box for sentiment analysis. The system classifies human emotion, identifying the textual context, and converting it into a clean, binary positive or negative score. To a computing professional, this digital environment is a highly structured data pipeline. Organizations must strategically manage these pipelines to extract the business intelligence required to survive in a digital economy. Modern organizations rely heavily on these networking platforms to establish direct, real-time engagement with their stakeholders. They answer inquiries, receive instant feedback, and solve problems the moment they arise. This is an architectural diagram comparing communication models. On the left, we see the traditional model. For decades, organizations relied on a strict, one-directional broadcast. Information flowed predictably from the organization directly to the audience. Now look at the right side. The new communication sphere introduces the social media model. Instead of a single broadcast arrow, we have a constant interactive loop. The audience generates content, reacts to it, and talks back, requiring the organization to engage continuously. This shift creates significant system requirements, as organizations must manage global reach, real-time concurrency, and immense volumes of user-generated content, ranging from text reviews to video testimonials. To handle this massive influx, organizations route the unstructured user-generated content through social media analytics. The server block ingests the raw data and translates it into actionable, structured metrics, like reach, click-through rate, and sentiment scores. This transition to interactive, two-way communication transforms the nature of organizational engagement into a complex challenge of data ingestion and processing. This table breaks down corporate social media strategy. Each platform provides a distinct data environment. LinkedIn offers structured professional network graphs for talent acquisition. Instagram and TikTok deliver multimedia content and viral engagement signals for brand management. X provides rapid text streams perfect for real-time customer service. We see this applied at scale every day. Netflix actively scrapes social media conversations to evaluate audience reactions to new releases. Tesla monitors real-time API feeds on X to spot customer complaints and intercept potential crises before they escalate. Let's test your computational logic. I want you to pause the video here. Look at these two user-generated strings. Conceptualize the pseudocode you would write to automatically classify string A as a positive interaction and string B as negative feedback. Successful corporate social media strategy utilizes these computational capacities to parse, classify, and act on these distinct data inputs. This diagram illustrates the processing hub that solves our text classification problem. Your pseudocode likely pointed toward natural language processing, or NLP. By applying NLP and machine learning models, the system tokenizes the exact text strings we just looked at, scores their emotional weight, and automates the sentiment analysis. Expanding the map reveals the entire ecosystem. On the left, the chaotic, real-time global communication sphere generates massive amounts of two-way data. That raw data streams into the computational tech hub in the center, which filters and structures it. Finally, the clean data flows to the right, directly supporting organizational goals like brand management, customer service, and crisis mitigation. As computer science professionals, you are the architects of this system. Behind every viral marketing campaign, intuitive customer experience, or rapid crisis response, there is a robust, invisible architecture of data mining and analytics doing the heavy lifting.